Starting off a little bit cooler across Kentucky today. Hey there, friends. I'm meteorologist Shane Smith. It is Monday, June 15th, 2026, and the weather feeling a little bit more like spring than summertime today, but we've got some big time thunderstorms heading our way as we go later into the week. Let's go take a look at the outlook for Wednesday for excessive rain. You'll notice most of the state under a marginal risk of excessive rain, and the northern half of the state under a marginal risk of severe weather, and then eastern Kentucky for Thursday under a 15% chance of severe weather. That would likely translate to a slight risk once we get a little closer, and the entire state under a slight risk of flooding on Thursday. So that tells you the weather is about to turn active across the bluegrass. Let's take a look at what those outlooks mean. For a marginal risk, we're talking small chances, but just enough that you want to pay attention. When we start going into slight risk, we're talking isolated severe thunderstorms and isolated flash flood warnings are possible. Right now, though, it's nice out there. Big cold front sweep through the region yesterday. That has brought us some cooler weather, but you'll notice this storm system starting to gather down towards Texas. It will begin to lift to the north and meet up with another cold front coming in from Canada, and those two will combine to create the potential of some pretty big weather for the Ohio Valley on Wednesday and Thursday. Let's see how it all plays out. Using our future forecast, you're going to notice that as we go throughout the day today, it's going to be a bit cooler. We only top out into the mid to upper 70s statewide. We wake up Tuesday morning into the 50s and 60s, and then as we go into Tuesday night, that's when the thunderstorms start approaching. We'll see another line develop and move in late in the day on Wednesday. That is the one that may bring us some severe weather, and that goes all the way into Thursday morning as well, and Thursday afternoon. This is Thursday at 2 o'clock. You'll notice some pretty potent thunderstorms out there according to the future radar. So that is something we're going to be tracking over the next couple of days. So a little bit cooler to start the week, 70s tomorrow, 80s for Wednesday. Watch those thunderstorms late in the day on Wednesday. Those will carry into Thursday and probably even linger into Friday with some more cooler weather heading our way to end the week. I'll have updates as necessary, so be sure to take care and stay weather aware.